Number 10.
James Dyson has reinvented the vacuum. Again, big heavy motors are replaced by this powerful hyperdymium motor. Redesigned cyclones generate forces up to 79,000 G. And an improved cleaner head with carbon fiber filaments removes fine dust. For powerful cleaning anywhere. Only a Dyson works like a Dyson.
Number 9.
Why does cleaning your hard floors have to be such hard work? Sweeping, scrubbing, mopping.
Even if it looks clean, invisible bacteria could just get spread around.
Introducing the amazing new Vax Glide. It's a cordless hard floor cleaner that can save time. Because it vacuums, washes, and helps dry at the same time.
Lifting away dirt and bacteria fast in one easy step. It's got an advanced multi-surface brush roll. What does that mean?
It means it can do this. It's got twin tank technology. What does that mean?
You're always using a mix of clean water and Vax solution that kills 99.9% of bacteria.
And high power mode? That means it can even do this.
Its revolutionary Vax 1-power battery gives you up to 30 minutes high-performance cleaning.
And can power every other product in the Vax 1-power system.
When you're done, your floor's dry and smelling fresh in minutes. With a squeeze of the trigger, the Vax Glide gets on with cleaning itself, and the dirty water gets poured away.
So you can get on with this.
Clean hard floors fast and easy with the amazing new Vax 1-power Glide.
Vax 1-power. Endless possibilities.
Number 8. Number 7.
What a mess. You know, when I need to get down to business, I grab the Dirt Devil Reach Max. You know, the one that's versatile, multi-floor, and all those other marketing buzzwords. Yup, no cord. And no pants, so I can clean anywhere. This is what long-lasting, fresh-to-death lithium power looks like. Really, this bad boy lasts longer than I need it to.
And the Reach Max does some pretty bad tricks, like converting to a hand vac.
That's right. Same cordless vacuum. This time, with a sweet stair tool. Check out that pivot. Oh yeah. 10 out of 10. So, gone are the days of disaster zones. Boom! Hasta la vista, cobwebs. Or driving around in a crummy car.
Who are you?
Who are you? And most importantly, adios Max. Because it's already gone, thanks to the Dirt Devil Reach Max.
Number 6. Number 5. Number 4.
Let's face it, vacuuming can be a pain.
Shackled by the weight and tethered by the cord. The minute you finish, more mess appears. And do we really want to touch the dirt when we empty?
I designed the powerful new Gtech air ram to help you break free.
You get high-performance cordless cleaning, even on embedded pet hair. It glides from carpet to hard floor with no settings to change. And its new airlock feature picks up big bits from the surface and fine dust from deep down. The AirRam gives you up to 40 minutes powerful cleaning. Plenty to do your home twice.
Good dog.
The dirt is compacted into a bale
And empties with a slide. Order your Gtech air ram today.
for £199 with free delivery.
Number 3. Number 2. Number 1.
The new GAS 14.4 and 18-volt lithium-ion professional is Bosch's latest cordless vacuum cleaner. Let's go. This vacuum cleaner is equipped with strong dust suction performance. Thanks to the HEPA filter, The air you breathe is much cleaner than others. The premium battery delivers longer runtime. In addition, the lightweight compact battery offers easy handling. You are empowered with 2 speed controls, which allows optimum suction on various applications. Perfect. The lightweight tool allows you to work effortlessly with an ideal grip for use in different positions. Too dark under the seat? Don't fret. The Bosch LED light will brighten up your whole cleaning experience. And its compact size lets you work in narrow spaces with ease. The wide array of accessories allow you to clean even the hardest to reach areas comfortably. The dust cleaning process is easy. Simply press the dust cup release button and remove the dust cup from the main body. Clean the filter with a brush. To reattach, simply secure the lock from bottom first. Then, press the release button to fully lock the dust cup. Bosch cordless vacuum cleaners. Powerful cleaning anywhere.